Welcome to the ninth iGraphics tutorial and the second part of the game development from the self.com, and in this video we're going to start the coding for making the game. So, so now we will start our coding by writing down the method which will control the ball movement. So let's just name it ball movement. This method will be called after 25 milliseconds. Each 25 millisecond, I set timer is 25 millisecond. It will call the ball movement method. Okay, so now if the ball hit the left side of the screen, if the ball hits on the left side of the screen, and if the ball direction is equals to 1, it means if the ball's direction is equal, this direction is traveling to this direction, that will change to 2. If the ball direction is equals to 1, then it will change to ball direction would be equals to 2. Okay. Else if, just copy and paste it. Oh. Yes. If the ball is traveling to the direction, if the ball is traveling to the direction number 3, then it will change to 4. Okay, so till it will change to 4. Okay, now if the ball hit on the right side, so if the ball position x is greater than or equals to 336, then if the ball direction is equals to 2, it will change to 1. Ball direction will change to 1. Else if the ball direction is equals to the 4, it will change to 3. 4, it will change to 3. So that's pretty much changing the direction when it hits the lower left border. And okay, now what we are gonna do when it's gonna hit, let's just test it out. But before that, we need to we need to write down the code which will let him move to the specific direction. So if the ball direction is equals to 1, then the ball position x would be decrement by 4 pixel, and ball position y will be increment by 4 pixel. So as there are 6 direction, I'm gonna copy and paste it on the 6th time. Okay, so let's just do that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so position 1, if the travels to position 2, it means the upper right corner of the screen. Then the value of x will increment, the value of y would be increment. If the ball direction is equals to 3, it means the lower left corner. This one, lower left corner of the screen. Then the both value will decrement. Yep. If the ball travels to the lower right corner of the screen, then the value of x will increment and the value of y will decrement. If the ball is moving to the upward of the screen, then the position of x will remain unchanged, but the y will increment. And if it's 6, it means going downward. Then the position of y will decrement, and the position of x will remain unchanged. So let's just run. As we can see, the ball moved and it went down the screen because we didn't set any of the condition when the ball will when the ball will hit the upper side of the screen. So now we're gonna put it down, put the condition there. So let's set that else if the hmm, ball position y is greater than or equals to the 512 minus 64. No, not the 64, 512 minus 32, because the height of the ball is 32 pixel. So if we set it on here 480, then it will randomly pick up a direction. So let's just say the random number. It's a random number. So to do that, first we need to write down a code here. Srand is equals to time null. You're gonna have to do the code to. Sorry, the null would be in a uppercase. I forgot. So then what we can do is random number would be equals to rand percentage of 3. So it will generate a random number which will be either 1, 2, or 3. So if the random number is equals to 1, then the direction of the ball would be 3. If its ball direction would be equals to 3. Else if the random number is equals to 2, then the ball direction would be equals to 4. Else ball direction would be equals to 6. So let's run the code and see if the direction changes when it hits the upper side of the screen. Yeah, it changed. Yes. Oh, okay. So that's pretty much worked on the upper side of the screen. And that's pretty much for this part. I'll see you guys in the next one.